morning, good evening, good night. Whenever you guys are watching this channel, first subscribe. I've had this Kwikset door lock. It's a wire-free door lock halo. I've had it for almost a year now. So I'm gonna give you a review and tell you what I think about it. And we're gonna go ahead and open the app. And you see this app right here where it says Kwikset here on the left. You just click on it. And as you can see, the door is locked now. So if I want to unlock the door, the only thing I have to do is just push right in the middle of that circle where it says where it says locked, and it'll go through the process of locking. The only thing I don't like about this, it's got a delay on it. Maybe about, say for instance, I hit it right now. It may take about 5 to 10 seconds to unlock the door. But when it unlocks the door, you could hear it. So when somebody is outside and it's unlocking, they could hear when it's unlocked, and then they could come on in. So it have different options on here. And just say, for instance, down here where you say people, you click on it, and you can give up to 250 people different access codes. And you can give them limited access to where they can have it all day or any time. Say, for instance, right here where it says Linda Hepper. I click on it. So I can schedule to give them a passcode. See, I entered the passcode 1234 and schedule type. I can click at that. I can change it to any time where it says can be used every day at any time. Or you could put a limited by date or limited by a weekday and time. Or you one time within 24 hours. So say for instance, this one time I could click start now. So it's syncing. You see where it says syncing. So Linda Hepper, if I click on it again, they got access anytime within 24 hours starting today, June the 10th. So from June the 10th at 10:34 a.m. they got it for 24 hours up until June the 11th. Say for instance, you click on this schedule again, you can limit it by date. Can be used anytime within the date range. Or say for instance, I hit the date range. So I can start today, June the 10th, and you can give them access for a whole week. I'm gonna go back, or you can limit it by weekday and time. If I click on that, I could say days to be allowed. Just say for instance you want them to have access just on Monday. You just uncheck everything right here, hit submit. So days allowed Monday at what time? We'll say from 8 a.m. and end time we'll say 5 p.m. and hit submit. So the schedule has been set. So if you look at Linda's Hepper, that person is only allowed to come in the house Monday from 8 to 5. That's the only way. That's the only time I have access to this code. And you can do this as many times as you want. You can give different people access. You can look at the history here, so you can know what's going on. You got the auto lock. You got the app. Like I can unlock it with me. It tells you the history if you use your app to unlock, or it was auto lock, or maybe somebody just turned it. So it tells you all the history of what's going on. You can hit the button up there to clear the history. You go to settings right here. If you go to settings, okay, you see I hit settings, and here edit the name of the door. I got it front door. You can have it to auto lock. If you forget to lock it, it'll auto lock after every 5 minutes or every 10 minutes, 5 minutes, 3 minutes, 1 minute, 30 seconds. Or you can actually turn that off to where it don't auto lock. If you got people going in and out your house for the day and doing some work, you could turn that auto lock off so it won't be locking the door. But we do ours for 10 minutes in case we leave the house and we forget to lock the door. It'll automatically lock itself. Okay, we're gonna go back, and you have a lot of different stuff on here. We're gonna click it there on the top, and this works with Alexa and all that, but I don't do all of that stuff. And if you want to add another lock to this, if you purchase another one, you just click here on that plus sign. Okay, we're gonna go back to this add people. Say for instance we want to add a person, we just hit people, and then you hit this plus up here where it says people, and you can name it test, and you can give them a code 2468, and you get the schedule type. If they're living with you, you can give them anytime access, or you limited access like we went through with Linda's maid. So we'll give them anytime access, and you can also click this generate random code, but we already know the code 2468, and hit submit. Once you hit submit, that's it. So it's syncing right now, so that person could come to the door and hit 2468, and it automatically unlocks the door. And if you want to delete that off, just click on it and just hit delete. And that's delete. Say for instance you want to temporarily block all codes. Right here where it says secure mode temporarily disables the keypad, so you can just turn that on. So now nobody is able to use the keypad to get in. And this thing also has a key in case the battery go dead or anything. You can use the key to unlock the door. If you forget your code, or maybe the batteries go dead or anything, you could use the key to unlock. So to turn it, to enable the codes again, you just click that button and it will enable the codes. So we're gonna go back. So I'm gonna unlock the door. Let me see how long it would take. See, that time it unlocked it right away. And sometimes it takes it a little longer. I could hear it I'm upstairs, I can hear it unlock. So if I lock it again, so it's unlocked, so I'm gonna hit lock. And it's working great right now, but sometimes it do have delays. So then if you go to your history, and you can see right there where it says the app locked and the app unlocked. But it's really nothing to this. It's real simple. If you look at the top, you'll see the battery life, which I changed the battery the other day. It's got 95%. When mine's get under 40%, I usually change the battery. And these batteries these are AA batteries, 4 of them. I probably change mine maybe every 4 to 6 months, because we do have a lot of activity with this door, because we got people coming in and out, you know, taking care of my mother-in-law. But anyway, if this video helped, subscribe to my channel, and thank you, and have a great day.